What if I told you that you can get paid for watching YouTube videos and you can do this from anywhere across the globe and it's for free? I tried it myself and it made sense to me, and that is why I'm sharing this video with you in order to help you get that side hustle that you can do alongside whatever it is you're doing currently. So if this makes sense to you, I want you to hit the like button, like this video, and on the comment section, I want you to type side hustle. And if you've not joined this community, I want you to also hit the subscribe button so we can create a financial free society. This is Wealthy Mindset with Chidi, a channel where I share information on how to make money online. Ensure you stick with me to the end of this video as I'll be showing you how you can make money by watching YouTube videos. So let's dive right into the video. The first thing you're going to do is to head over to YouTube and search for videos related to facts, mixery, psychology, news, or any topic related to these topics I mentioned. Now you're going to copy the link of the video you got from YouTube and head over to this website and paste it. The name of this website is called YouTubeTranscripts.com. Do not worry, I'm going to paste the link to this site down below the description for easy access. So now YouTube Transcript will convert this video into a text. After it's converted into an article, you're going to copy this text and keep it in a safe place. Maybe you save it in your Google document or in a place that you feel that is safe for you. The next step is we are going to rewrite this article because we do not want to have any copyright issues. Now you're going to copy this article you have saved on your document or wherever it is you have saved it, and then you paste it on this website called phrase.io. Links will still be pasted down below the description. This website will rewrite this article and you're going to copy and save it in your documents. Obviously, you're going to be deleting the previous article and then we are going to make use of the new one you're going to save. Now at this stage, if you haven't liked this video, ensure you like and subscribe to this channel. This will help others discover this channel. So now that you have your optimized video, you're going to go to this website called VOCAL.MEDIA. This website will pay you $3.80 for 1,000 views for this article you will be uploading on this platform. So basically, if you're able to get people view your article 10,000 times, you'll be able to make $38 for that article. For instance, if you dedicate around 50 minutes to publish just one article daily, you will have the potential to earn $30 times 30 days, which is around $1,140 per month. So if you manage to publish 3 articles in a day, you have the potential of earning $3,420 per month. You can even earn more if you decide to join Vocal Plus. The subscription fee is around $10 or so, but then it is optional. So instead of earning $3.80, you will be earning $6 for 1,000 views, which will transform your monthly earning from $3,420 to $5,400 per month. But like I said, subscription is optional if you're comfortable with earning $3.80 per 1,000 views. This is something you can do as a side hustle, and if you have the time to dedicate to this side hustle, it can certainly pay a bill. When I started this video, I said you have to watch the videos because you need to be sure that the video falls in the niche that this platform is looking for. Because if you start uploading articles that are not in the niche I mentioned earlier, they may not get views and you may not make the money. The bottom line is the more videos you watch, the more article you create and the more money you'll be able to make. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you've not liked this video yet, like this video and also join the family by subscribing to this channel. Until my next video is bye for now.